are going to introduce new kind of luggage.
Yeah.
The blue one and the yellow one. First, let's look at the lock.
Yeah,
the
lock.
TSA lock. Yeah.
The lock.
Yeah.
The 3 zeros. It's open.
It's open. And always remember that the original password is 000.
030.
If you want to change the password, just look at the introduction inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Don't forget. And this design is different from our other designs. This is very colorful.
Yeah.
It's
And very patient, right?
Yes, it's bright color. Paper runs smoothly. Let's check what inside. Baya, did you notice the logo?
Yeah, I was
different?
quite curious why there is no logo.
Because our factories accept customized logos. So if you want to promote your brand of luggage, you can contact us.
Yeah, this is OEM service. Right?
It's OEM. Yeah, it's very good.
Alright. So what about the material is iron?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's very high quality.
Yeah. I feel it.
Yeah.
It's really smooth and easy.
Yeah.
Alright.
This is cabin size, and if you want a larger size, just contact us.
Yeah.
Yes. For more information, just
Visit to our Facebook page, YouTube and LinkedIn page, and also our official website.
yes. Amazon and AliExpress also sell these luggages. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.